Hey, seventh graders, it's Mrs. Johnson. Today's Thursday, December 3rd. You're going to start out with your bell ringer. Before we get, well, we'll do the bell ringer first. It's fine. Oopsie, it's not where I wanted to go. Okay, click on that bell ringer. Sorry. So what you're going to do while you're getting ready is you're going to make a copy of this Energy in the Ecosystem digital notebook. Keep that open in a different tab because you are going to be completing that in just a few minutes. A quick review of yesterday's activity. We did some ecology vocabulary, which in just a minute we are going to do a Quizlet to review that. And then our essential question was, what is the relationship between abiotic and biotic factors? So we know the word abiotic means non-living, and the word biotic means living. And so an example of this is in the Wolves That Changed the River video. It discussed how when we introduced more wolves, what it did is it caused a decrease in the number of prey, which caused an increase in the vegetation, which resulted in less erosion, and therefore the whole river itself reshaped. And so living things can affect the non-living things in an ecosystem, and there are many examples of that you can find. All right. So next up, we are going to do Quizlet. So let's get logged into that and get going. All right. So we're going to do the Ecology Quizlet. You're going to just do some independent practice on that. We're not going to do a live at this time, but I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to practice those terms. All right, once you're done with that, today what we're looking at is we're looking at how energy transfers in an ecosystem. So we know that different animals eat different things, and we're going to look at the purpose of eating that is to transfer energy from one organism to another. And so we're going to look at some of the different pieces of that by looking at food chains and food webs. And then tomorrow you're going to be creating a food web for your biome. All right. So you're going to click on the Energy in an Ecosystem digital notebook. You should already have made a copy of this, so you should already have that open in a new tab. So what you are going to do is you are going to read through the notebook and complete the activities on each page. Remember to watch all the videos. There's a couple of tough concepts in here on the nitrogen cycle and the carbon cycle. And our big idea is we just want you to realize that carbon and nitrogen both cycle throughout an ecosystem, and they move from one thing to another between the living and non-living things in that ecosystem. Okay, so it's the science can be a kind of tough to understand, but that's what the general idea is. So make sure you're watching the videos and doing the activities included in that digital notebook. You will need to complete the whole thing today. And then when you're finished, you're going to click on the quick check, and it will bring you to the quick check, and you will complete that. And this is going to involve basically just copy and pasting or screenshots right from your digital notebook. So make sure you keep that open. All right. So those are going to be your tasks for today. So make sure you get those finished because tomorrow you're going to be doing your own food web. All right. Have a great day.